and Jason are outside the house right now. Actually, it's an apartment, and if you can see, they have really close neighbors.
Here's the house we're scaring. Here's their neighbors. Not good.
So, we're about to knock on the door and make sure they're still wanting to scare whoever they're scaring.
We don't look suspicious at all.
Yeah. Okay, so should we knock on the door? Okay. They're not answering. Oh my god. Oh god. Hi, I'm Kassi. This is Jason. We're doing a morning wake-up call. Sorry, we're Kiss FM, Johnjay and Rich, Texas Chainsaw Morning Massacre wake-up call. We have a chainsaw to wake up whoever you want us to. Are you still gonna do that, or? Oh my god, oh my god.
I guess they, forgot.
I don't know if you still remember, you called us a few days ago to wake up your cousin.
Oh, come on in.